Hey guys, today we're doing a quick and easy ramen momo bowl. For this we need Asian stock, miso paste, sriracha sauce, tofu, spinach, broccoli, edamame, onion, ginger, garlic, ramen noodles, lemon juice, sesame oil, salt and some spring onions to garnish. We're going to start by adding some sesame oil into a pan. To this I'm adding some garlic. Then I'm adding in my ginger. And lastly some onions, and I'm going to let this cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. Next I'm adding in the 5 cups of Asian stock. To this I'm adding in some miso paste, along with the sriracha sauce as well. We're then going to move on to adding our vegetables. The first thing I'm adding in here is some broccolis. The next thing I'm adding is edamame. And the last is a bunch of spinach. After this I'm going to let it cook for around 5 to 6 minutes and then bring on a boil on high flame. In the meantime we're going to steam up the momos here from SteamUp Foods. Super quick and easy to do. To the soup now I'm adding in the tofu. Next I'm going to add in the lemon juice. And now it's time for our star ingredient, the mushroom momos from SteamUp Foods. Lastly, I'm adding in the ramen noodles and I'm going to let it cook well and then serve hot. It's a super healthy and yummy dish and you got to try this, guys.